This video will cover installing the RTP Mic application for use with the Stream Assist, integration with Home Assistant. So let's get started. First thing we'll do is open up the Play Store, and we will search for RTP Mic. RTP Mic. Here it is. Say install. Wait a few moments. The application is installed. We can click open. Then we'll go to the three dots at the top, default settings, and we want to leave everything. We want to leave audio codec the same. The target address we need to change to, and I'll put the settings in the video description. We'll go ahead and set this to 255. 255.255.255. Okay. We'll leave the target port to 55,555. We want to auto start streaming, and we also want to start and boot. The rest of this stuff can remain the same. If you choose later, you can install the web interface if you need to do things in that nature, but typically that's not required. At this point we'll hit the back, and then we'll say start, and then you'll get permission pop-ups like this. You want to say while using the app, and that sound there means that it is now streaming. So that's all there is to setting up the RTP Mic audio input for Stream Assist. I'll have other videos on setting up Stream Assist and the rest of the requirements for using Visual Assist with Home Assistant. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you can, thumbs up the video so that more people can find it.